last year we have done some based on expansions. Do you know the expansion of these a plus b whole bracket square?
Yes, sir, I know.
Yes, sir.
Expansion for this
A
square plus a and b plus b square.
plus b square plus 2ab. Understood?
Yes.
This is the first term, this is the second term. So a plus b whole bracket square. First term, this is the first term. This is the second term. First term square plus second term square plus
2ab.
2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. This is the chapter number 4, expansion. If it is a minus b whole bracket square, how will you write?
Plus same plus minus.
Plus, what is minus?
Sir, a square is minus and 2 is plus.
No, you're wrong.
A square minus b square.
B square will be always positive.
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Square minus 2ab plus b square, or it can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third formula is, if it is a square minus b square, what is the expansion for this? A in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. Part, it is a plus b whole bracket square plus a minus b whole bracket square equal to 2 inside the bracket a square plus b square. Fourth formula. Please write the formula. Whole bracket square plus a minus b whole bracket square, 2 inside the bracket a square plus b square. You know how we'll get this formula? Can anyone will verify it? Left hand side. It is there. A plus b whole bracket square
C whole bracket square.
b whole bracket square. What is the expansion for these a plus b whole bracket square? So that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Expansion for these a minus b whole bracket square.
Square.
Very good. So plus a square ab plus b square. Can we cancel something from here? 2ab and this 2ab. Why we can cancel? Because this has got plus sign, this has got minus sign. So this is got cancelled. Then what is left over here? Square plus a square plus b square. A square plus a square. A square, that will be 2a square. B square plus b square
2b square.
is 2b square. If I take 2 as a common,
Inside the bracket a square, plus b square.
a square plus b square. See, so what do you want over here? We inside the bracket a square plus b square. This is the formula. This is the formula that is a plus b whole bracket plus a minus b whole bracket square is equal to 2 inside the bracket a square plus b square.
B square.
A plus b
It's
bracket square
I'm definitely taking the recording now. I'm going to read
Minus-
that class. It's so much.
Okay.
bracket square
Nice.
is equal
It's
to
to 9
AB.
there are
Please write the
Yeah, I
formula
send also.
is.
Thank you, sir.
Please verify this formula. What is the left hand side is a plus b whole bracket square minus a minus b whole bracket square. A plus b whole bracket square, a square plus b square, 2a, okay, minus For the minus b whole bracket square plus b square minus 2ab. Now last year I had explained to you, whenever we are solving bracket, before bracket there is a minus sign. Before bracket there is a minus sign. What happens sign inside the bracket?
It gets changed.
It gets changed. Okay. So this will remain as it is. This will
Opposite.
remain as a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Do you think something can get cancelled over here? Cancel. This b square also will get cancelled. So what is left over here?
2ab plus 2ab.
2AB plus 2AB, 4AB.
4ab is equal to RHS. Whole bracket square minus a minus b whole bracket square is equal to 4ab. A whole bracket square, a square formula. I will just explain to you
I don't know.
difference between a plus b whole bracket square plus 1 upon a whole bracket square. Are they same? This is the second term. Yeah, this is the first term. Is the reciprocal 1 upon a, no? Second term is the reciprocal of the. Okay, so they are not same. They are different. They are different. So the expansion will be also different.
What's up?
This is the first term, and this is the second term. So accordingly, what we are going to write? First term square. First term square plus second term square plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. These a and a will get cancelled. So here a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So this is the expansion. Plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. So this is a and a will get cancelled. Now first we will write this formula. Minus 1 upon a whole bracket square is equal to square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a. Here it is what? Very good. This is how you are going to get it answer. Shall I explain to you? And this is the second term. So first term square. What is the first term square? A square.
A square.
Plus second term square. 1 upon a whole bracket square. Okay. Multiply by first term. What is the first term? A. Multiply by 1 upon a. So this a got cancelled. So you are getting a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. Shall I go to the next formula now?
Yes, sir. Right.
तनिष ये फॉर्मूला है ना
Ah.
Until and unless there are 17 formulas there. 17.
Yes, sir.
17. If you mastery over this chapter, you have to learn this formula by heart.
सर तो आज पूरा टाइम फॉर्मूले में ही जाएगा
Yes. Because I will teach you how we are getting these formulas. We should be familiar with the formulas. Once you know the formula, then only you can solve some based on these formulas.
Yes, sir.
ओके यप
So in 7 we have done not 8. 8 formula. 8 they have given as 8 plus 1 upon a whole bracket square plus a minus 1 upon a whole bracket square equal to 2 inside the bracket plus 1 upon a square. Please write this formula.
उसका आईफोन बन रहा है.
अनिश दांत का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है लगता है नेट का.
हाँ बार बार आवाज जा रहा है.
वही मेरा तो शॉर्ट है.
हाँ
I'm looking at my.
So, how you are going to get formula?
Yes.
Okay, a plus 1 upon a bracket square. What is the expansion function?
अरे बाप रे बाप.
Anish Dad left the meeting.
A plus 1 upon
A square plus 1 upon A square plus 2.
very good.
शांभवी, आराम से,
A
शांभवी,
square plus 2. What is the expansion of this? A minus 1 upon a whole bracket square.
A square plus 1 upon A square minus 2.
Very good.
आराम से.
Can you cancel something from this? From this?
माइनस प्लस
Yes,
टू.
minus 2 plus 2.
Minus 2 would cancel. So what is left over here? A square plus A square. A square. Very good. So
A
it is
square.
not 2A square. Plus 1 upon A square, 1 upon A square.
Upon A square.
No,
We have a 1 upon A square. If I take 2 as a common, what is left inside the bracket?
A square plus
Then
1 upon square.
Plus 1 upon A square. See, same thing we got away now. 2A square plus 1 upon A square. Have you-
Okay, yep.
Okay, fine. Now 9.
Yup.
मैं अनिश पे छोड़ दिया.
Have you now no discussion, please, no talking. Just pay attention what is happening in class.
Problem है.
Single, please don't talk anything else other than maths.
Yes sir.
Yeah. So A plus 1 upon bracket square plus A minus A 1 upon A whole bracket square is equal to 2 inside the bracket A square plus 1 upon A square. Formula?
yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Hi, those who are all speaking on mic, please mute.
भाई क्या अभी बात ही ना करे. डाउट नहीं
Anish has
ना
left the meeting.
9 they have given plus 1 upon A whole bracket square minus A minus 1 upon A whole bracket square is equal to 4. Please write the formula first. 4 to 4.
Yes sir. Done.
Okay, sir.
Now shall I explain how you will use this formula?
Yes sir.
Okay. Plus 1 upon A whole bracket square. How will I explain? How will I expand this?
A square plus 1
A square.
A square plus 1 upon A square 2. Very good. Minus. Expand these A minus 1 upon bracket square.
square
A square plus 1 upon A square minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay, fine. So I can just write here as theta. I can just write over here as A square plus 1 upon A square minus 2. As I told you, whenever there is a minus sign before the bracket, what do we do normally?
Change.
Bracket will change. So you write over here as A square plus 1 upon A square plus 2 minus a square minus 1 upon a square plus 2. Anything from here?
A
Yes, so
square,
A
a square
square
minus
A
1 upon
square,
a
A
square,
square, A square, what the answer?
1 upon a square minus plus
Plus 2 plus 2. So what answer will you get?
4.
4. So the
4.
formula is plus 1 upon a whole bracket square minus a minus 1 upon a whole bracket square is equal to 4. Have you copied this ninth formula?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can I go to the next formula now?
yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
भाई मारो.
Ninth. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
10th is a plus b whole bracket cube to a cube plus b cube plus c inside the bracket a plus b. A plus b whole bracket cube. Term cube. This is your first term. This is your second term. So first term cube plus second term cube plus 3 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term inside the bracket first term plus second term. Further written as q plus 3a square b square. You write both the answer, first as well as second.
Wrote, sir.
तनिष कॉमर्स में 6 थे, इसमें तो 17 है.
हाँ
हम लोग का कॉमर्स का हुआ क्या क्लास?
हाँ
हाँ हो गया.
हमारा बायोलॉजी हुआ.
पारुल
अच्छा
मिस्त्री
यार.
ना.
अरे बहुत मस्त सिखाया.
पारुल
Now
मिस्त्री ना.
next is
हाँ
11.
पारुल में थी.
Okay, now the discussion
मैंने
of
पारुल
is
इसको कल ही
11. A minus B whole bracket cube. Expansion is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB inside the bracket A plus B. Also written as A cube B cube minus 3A square B plus
A B square.
very good. A this single
मिथिल मिथिल.
मिथिल
with
sir.
A.
हाँ यस सर.
Okay, okay, keep it up.
अबे तनिष तूने इतना सब किया तो कर.
अब मेरे को बोलना ही नहीं है ना.
Now, what
नहीं
is
तो
the
बोला.
difference between 10 and 11? What is the difference between? Yes. So, because of plus is there, all signs are plus.
प्लस
Also plus, this is also plus, this is also plus. When there is a minus sign over here, this is also minus, this is also minus, even this is also minus.
minus.
दैट इज प्लस.
This is the way to remember the formulas.
Sir, the last one is my plus, not minus.
Yeah, this is plus. Okay, now next. 12. To the next one, now 12.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So 12 is a plus 1 upon a whole bracket cube. A plus 1 upon a whole bracket cube is equal to plus 1 upon a cube plus inside the bracket on a. All this, may I explain this formula to you?
Yes, sir.
This is exactly like 10. The only difference is that there are two different terms over here. This is the term A, and this is the reciprocal of it. Okay. The first term. So first term cube, that is a cube, plus second term cube, that
A
is
cube.
1 upon a cube. 3 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. First term plus second term. How you will see? Because these A and these A will get what happen?
And
Sir,
sir.
we can't see.
Answer.
Sir,
That
we
is
can't
in
see
your
what you wrote.
a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 inside the bracket a plus 1 upon a.
हेलो प्रयाग,
हाँ बोल.
अरे तेरे को दिख रहा नहीं रहेगा ना, तो तू क्या कर, अपना माउस ले और बाद में जो सर के स्क्रीन को ना पिन कर दे, उधर पिन का साइन है उसको दबा तो वो बिग स्क्रीन हो जाएगा.
अरे वही है भाई.
Now
चलो
follow for the
दिमाग
discussion now. Children, by today evening, I will slides which are there at the back of the chapters. How many of you have textbook with you?
Sir, me. Me.
Sir, me.
I have.
Okay, those who have, it's well and good. Who don't have, only will upload the assignment. You can start solving problem based on this. Whenever you face any difficulty or you're not getting any answer, write a mail to me. I'll explain to you. Okay? Okay. Now, may I go to the next formula now?
Yes.
Okay.
जरा अनीश.
हाँ.
आ रहा है जा रहा है.
ये प्रणव तूने साइंस लिया है?
क्या कौन?
प्रणव
हाँ,
तूने साइंस लिया है? साइंस लिया तू?
हट कॉमर्स.
Not working. 13.
कुशल भी छोड़ दे.
A minus 1 upon a whole bracket cube. Now earlier it was plus, now it is minus. So it is a cube minus 1 upon a cube. 3 inside the bracket a minus 1 upon a.
कौन ज्वाइन किया?
Have you got this formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now next formula. 14. A cube plus B cube plus B in bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Formula A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B inside the bracket
Node is entered.
plus B square. Now I will teach you one trick. If you remember this trick, you will remember this formula properly.
Yes, sir.
A cube plus B. Therefore, it is plus sign over here. Here is plus, here is plus. Here is minus, here is also minus.
Minus.
Understanding, when you want to remember this formula, there is a small piece. A cube plus B cube plus plus. Now, always keep for AB. AB will have the opposite sign. Which sign is there over here? Plus. No. So AB will have which sign now?
Minus.
This square will be same. This cube has the same sign. So A cube minus B cube. Minus B. Because this is my sign over here, so there has to be also minus. Okay. Now A square. Again, for AB, this is minus sign. So AB will have now opposite sign. That is plus, and then is B square. You have to always remember these two formulas. That is A cube plus B cube plus B. A plus B. A B inside the bracket. A square minus AB plus B square. Why minus? Because opposite to the plus is minus over here. Okay? A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B inside the bracket. This is minus, therefore it will be what? Plus.
Plus.
AB plus B square. These are also very important formulas. Important, please write. Important. We have to use very often.
More 2.
Done?
बहुत बोर हो रहा है. Hi nerd.
May I go to the next one now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next formula, next formula, 16. This is also very important formula. In 9th standard board exam, paper had come from the board, you know. A sum was asked based on this formula. So please be careful.
Okay, sir.
A plus B plus C whole bracket square. A plus C whole bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus 2BC
Plus 2s.
2AC. I think last year you studied this formula.
No.
Sir.
First term square plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term multiplied by third term plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by. Okay. Now this formula can be further written as A square
A square plus B square plus C square in bracket. 2 outside the bracket and inside A square.
आराम से
आराम से
तनिष आराम से सब कर रहेगा जमता रहेगा.
Ganesh on the right track. You're on the right track. Go ahead.
Plus AC.
Very good. Excellent. So it
Sir,
is
I could also do this.
A square plus B square plus C square plus
Common.
2 inside the bracket AB plus BC. These you can write as in terms of first term, second term and third term. Like this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. First term square plus second term square plus third term square plus multiply by second term, 2 multiply by second term multiply by third term, and 2 multiply by second term, sorry, first term multiply by third term.
Sir, last formula.
Okay, now last formula.
जल्दी बाहर जाने को.
बहुत जल्दी है.
तनिष इतना दिन पढ़ रहा था.
राज इसके बाद
पबजी और क्या?
इसके बाद पबजी.
आओ
प्रणव मैं तेरे को रिक्वेस्ट भेजूंगा.
If
तुरंत इसके बाद ही
A plus B plus C
एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं की.
किसने कौन भेजा
अरे यार
A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then
अजय उतरे थे हम
what are we
लोग.
now solving there? Plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC.
Put there.
If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then okay, equal visible.
I
Because of the
thought
slide.
her and
Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC.
तनिष इतने दिन पढ़ रहा था.
हाँ.
Okay, now please pay attention. Children, as I mentioned to you, as far as these formulas are concerned, these are very, very important formulas. And in exam, you are going to get questions around 3 to 4 marks based on the chapter. So if you want to get these 4 marks, and you are well aware that 9th standard exam is also board exam, you must learn all these formulas, because when you are solving the sum, if you do not know the formulas, you cannot apply the formula and you might get the wrong answer. Policy is that take each formula, make sure that you write each formula nearly 10 times or 15 times. Okay.
oh,
And then start recollecting. Okay, you ask me the first formula, ask me the second formula, ask me the third formula. Okay, or the first part your friend will ask, you will answer the second part. It's like that. You can take test of each other. Your friend can take test of yours, you can take your friend's test, okay? And this way you can, I'm telling you again and again, until and unless you learn these formulas by heart, you'll find this chapter very difficult. So if you think that you should find the chapter very easy, the only way is we have to learn this formula by heart. As I told you, by today evening or by today afternoon, I will upload the exercise. Those who have got a textbook, exercise of chapter number 4, which are at the end of the chapter. I think 4A, 4B, 4C, and 4D.
oh, Bappa.
Yeah, you have to solve everything. Whichever sum you do not know, send one mail. If you want, I will solve the sum on the mail and then I will send back.
Sir, what
Okay.
is the deadline?
Deadline.
Submit it by next Monday.
Okay.
Coming Monday, I think 24th.
Okay.
हाँ सर,
okay.
you sent a mail.
24th, you have to upload all the instructions. Everything is mentioned over there. How you have to do? Please write your name. Some assignment from the 10 graders. One of them, they have forgotten to write their name. So it's very difficult to find out who has done that work. And these will be treated as your internal marks. So be very careful and make sure that you complete your worksheet. Do not know, just send mail. I will answer your queries. If not, immediately after 1 hour or 2 hours, I will answer.
Sir, we have to only do the first exercise.
First, A, B, C, D, all.
Or
Yeah, all.
Oh,
Okay,
then
sir.
it will take me.
A, B, C, D.
मोबाइल पे है तनिष्क
हाँ देख रहा हूँ मोबाइल पे.
Okay. So
अच्छे
thank
से
you,
दिख रहा है
children,
क्या
for
कि
joining
मिनिएचर
me.
दिख रहा है
We'll meet again on coming Monday. By that time, if you have any problem, please contact me. I'll solve difficulties. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
And God bless you.
थैंक यू
ट्रैक पे आ जाओ,
अच्छा.
ट्रैक आ जाओ.
खेलने PUBG.
चलो
मैं
ट्रैक
आ रहा हूँ प्रयाग